Hey guys, welcome here. In last lecture I showed you week 4 directive and we iterated over items. In this lecture we'll continue and we will iterate over goals data and we'll display this data here on the screen. Okay, so let's start and first let's see what we are displaying here. So I will inspect this element, alright, this box content. Let's see what we have inside the box content, and here we have article. So this is very good spot to make iteration article and each iteration display separate article. Okay, so just to prove it to you, let's go to our coding editors. And the first thing here, I will display all of this code here, or actually we can comment it so you can reference it later. Okay, so for now, let's comment it. Okay, so I will comment it later, we will remove it. So just comment it like this. Perfect. And let's find here articles. So here is a box content I showed you in HTML, and here is a single article. So let's see this. Here is article 1, and here is the article 2. You can see here he's reading Harry Potter, age 4. Here is the age with my name and updated 34 minutes ago, and progress bar here, and okay, some HTML here, simply. Okay, I will remove second article. So here is a second article. You can see starting with article, ending with article. So I will remove this. Simply remove, save. You will go to browser, refresh, and you will display just one article reading Harry Potter. Perfect. Let's go back to our coding editors. And now what I want to do, I want to iterate these articles. So here, on our article here, I want to display v4 as I showed you. And we want to iterate our goals from here. So here we have a goals. Each single iteration, I would like to display here a title, updated at, and also maybe username, or username we can display later. Okay, for now, just the title and updated at. Okay, and actually, guys, this will be first assignment for you. So let's see. Assignment 1, iterate over goals in article element. All right, display goal title in h4. So this is here. So h4 here. Display goal title. Okay, and also display goal updated at in a element. As I showed you, here is a. So here display updated, and here should be, instead of this 34, there should be goal updated at. Okay, so let's make this simple iteration. Good luck, have fun, you can stop your videos and you can start working on this. And I will work on this right now. Okay guys, so let's scroll up here and let's find our article. Okay, here is our article, perfect. So let's write here v4 and let's write here goal in goals. Perfect. Or we can call it activity or goals, it's up to you. Okay, so goals. Okay, so reading Harry Potter, we can remove this and now we can interpolate our goal, and it was title, right? So goal title I want to display in h4, and here updated I want to display goal dot updated at minutes ago. Perfect, and actually that's it. Very simple. So let's save this now. Let's go back to our browsers. Okay, let's refresh. And now you can see we are displaying our values from our goals. So learn Vue.js, read Witcher books, and here is our updated at as a timestamp in millisecond, but we will transform it to normal date later. So guys, that was your assignment. I hope you have been successful. And actually, but that's it for this lecture. In next lecture, I would like to continue with this button here, new activity. I would like to create here some inputs, and these inputs will be for a new activity. So user will fill here some title, some note, and some category. We will click a new activity, and we will add here new activity into this view and also to our to our goals object here. Okay guys, so that's it, and for this functionality I hope to see you in the next lecture.